5 Simple Rules of Life. 1. Be true to yourself. Live in alignment with your values, beliefs, and passions. Avoid trying to please others at the expense of your own happiness and well-being. 2. Treat others with kindness. Practice empathy, compassion, and respect towards others. Treat people the way you would like to be treated, and strive to make a positive impact on the lives of those around you. 3. Take responsibility for your actions. Acknowledge your mistakes and take responsibility for the consequences of your choices. Learn from your failures and strive to make better decisions moving forward. 4. Embrace the present moment. Life unfolds in the present. Practice mindfulness and be fully present in each moment. Appreciate the beauty and joy that can be found in the here and now. 5. Keep learning and growing. Cultivate a curious mindset and embrace lifelong learning. Seek out new knowledge, experiences, and skills that will help you grow as an individual and expand your horizons.